Let's crochet a rose. First, chain 21. In the second chain from the hook, make a single crochet. Chain 2. Skip a stitch and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2. Skip a chain and make a single crochet in the next stitch. And repeat that all the way to the end. Once you're at the end, go ahead and chain 1 and turn your work. Make 3 half double crochets into the chain space. Chain 1. Slip stitch into the next chain space. Chain 1 and make 3 half double crochets into the chain space. Slip stitch into the next chain space, chain 1, make 3 half double crochets into the chain space, chain 1, slip stitch into the next chain space, chain 1, and now you're going to alternate between making 4 half double crochets and 5 half double crochets into the chain spaces. So you would make 4 here, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, and 4. Once you're done, go ahead and cut and tie off your yarn. Starting at the 3 half double crochet side, you're going to start putting your flower together, so start twirling everything. And now you should have something that looks a little like this. Grab another piece of yarn on a darning needle and go ahead and start stitching everything together. And that's it, we're all done. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet.